everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you want to know a simple ritual or 2 simple rituals that you can do to attract abundance, you landed on the right video. Today I'm going to show you 2 simple, very quick rituals that you can use using cinnamon. Listen, you guys, both of these take no more than a minute, and it will absolutely bring in abundance into your life. So if you want to know about the 2 rituals, keep watching. And if you're new to this channel, this is a law of attraction metaphysical channel that gives you that life-changing information. So if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. Now, if you want to know how to do these 2 rituals, keep watching. Now let's get started. I'm back, everyone. So now, what are the 2 rituals I want to show you quickly that take less than a minute? And why are we using cinnamon? Cinnamon is known to attract abundance, everyone. It's known to bring in abundance. So I'm going to show you something very quick and easy, and you can do it, but I don't advise you that you do it so often. Maybe once on a Thursday, or during a new moon, or the waxing moon when you're trying to get things to grow. If you're going somewhere and you know you're trying to bring in some money, like to the casino or something like that, this is when I suggest you do this first ritual. Now, the only thing you're going to do with this is wash your hands. I'm going to show it to you so that you can see, and then you can try it for yourself. Okay, so now what are you going to do? You're going to use regular faucet water, regular cinnamon, okay? And you're going to put about a teaspoon of cinnamon on your hands. You can have your hands a little wet before putting the cinnamon on there. And it should look it should be no more than that. You're then going to lather up your hands with the cinnamon. Now, as you're lathering up your hands, you may say money affirmations like, thank you, universe, for blessing me with the money. Money comes to me easy on a continuous basis for the best of them all. I am a money magnet. Anything you want to say concerning money. After you lather your hands up with the cinnamon, you can then finish it off by lathering up your hands under the water. Still thinking of money mantras. Thank you, God, for blessing me with the money. Thank you, universe, for blessing me with the money. Thank you, universe. I am a money magnet. Money comes to me easy on a continuous basis. Thank you, God. What God has for others, God has also for me. And that is it. Now, by doing that, you are absolutely washing your hands with an attractor for money. And you go about your business all day long. Now, again, this is not something that I would do all the time. I might do it in the beginning of the week before I start off my week at work or business. I might even start it off on a new moon or the waxing moon. I might also do this before I go to the casino. These are the little things that you can do to help yourself bring in abundance. So now let's get to number 2. Now, welcome to the front of my home. The next ritual I would like to tell you can be done on a new moon, a waxing moon, and it also is great to be used in the beginning of each month. Now, you can do this on the first day of the month or the first couple of days of the month. And if you have a need, go right ahead and use it anytime. But the thing is, this is best done in the beginning of the month, every month, or during a new moon or waxing moon. Why? Because this is going to bring prosperity into your home in many different ways. The only thing you need, again, is cinnamon and some affirmations to bring in money. So now the whole thing is for this, is that you're going to put a little bit of cinnamon in your dominant hand, and you're going to go outside, face your front door. If you live in an apartment, you go in the hallway, and you're going to turn around and you're going to blow this in your home. Okay? So don't write me saying, Yvette, I don't have a house, I don't have an apartment. Don't do that. Wherever you're staying, you're going to go to the door, you're going to place a little bit of cinnamon in the palm, and you're going to blow it in there. Now, as you're doing this, anytime you're doing a ritual, you really need to focus on what it is you're trying to bring in your life. So for this, we can say, as I blow this cinnamon in my home, prosperity follows with me. As I blow this cinnamon in my home, prosperity stays with me. Now, you're probably saying, well, Yvette, what do we do after we blow the cinnamon in our home? We're going to leave it there overnight or for 2 days, maybe overnight. And then you're going to sweep it up and dispose of it, however you want to dispose of it, okay? The thing is, we want to get it in the home during the beginning of the month. As I blow this cinnamon in my home, money stays with me. As I blow the cinnamon in my home, money follows me. And that's all it is. Listen, set the intent for the money to come, and the money will. That's all it is, everyone. Now, I just gave you guys 2 rituals that you could do within 1 minute or less that absolutely brings in or attracts abundance into your life. Again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you want more rituals to bring in money, abundance, love, health, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Namaste.